Do you have a picky eater at home? Today I'm sharing healthy snacks for picky eaters. Hi, I'm Stephanie Anderson, founder of the Peaceful Play Box. I help moms who work from home entertain their kids with creative play and set up systems so they have more time to get stuff done. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you know when I post new videos each week. With their little tummies, kids get hungry a lot more often than us adults do. Whenever I'm going anywhere for more than an hour, I make sure to take snacks along to keep their bellies full. Here in America, what's marketed as snack foods aren't exactly the healthiest. Healthy snacks should really be mini meals made up of a healthy fat, a protein, and a carbohydrate. Snacks like this slow digestion and help kids stay full longer. It also helps to avoid the sugar highs and the sugar crashes. I know a lot of picky eaters love goldfish, gummies, and chips. But I look at snack time as a great time to get more nutrition into their little bodies. So I've got 5 tips for you to get your kids eating healthy snacks. Use fun tools. So before you even pick a snack out, make sure you're making it a lot of fun. Especially if you're not on the go, but you're just at home, you can use a lot of different kinds of tools to get your kids to eat healthy snacks. So we like to use these fun little food picks, or you could use skewers, toothpicks, little mini forks. This we got from our local ice cream store, or like mini straws or big huge smoothie straws. We also have this little thing that's fun for dips or something liquid where the kids get to squirt it out, and they love that too. You can also pick up some googly eyes. These are edible candy Google eyes that make it a lot of fun if you have a little extra time to make your snack super cute. Use fun dips. So for the most protein, it's great to use Greek yogurt or a nut butter. You can even use a cheese sauce or a cream cheese spread. Lots of kids like whipped cream or ketchup if you're trying to get them to eat something healthy. Even if you're putting it on a vegetable or a fruit, it's better to get that nutrition into them, in my opinion, than not use the dip at all. So make snack time a lot of fun by adding dips. You can dip fruits, vegetables, meats, crackers. Anything that you think of as a healthy snack can be used with a dip to make it more of a complete mini meal snack. Homemade treats. Most picky eaters love at least one type of granola bar. Why not try to recreate it at home to make it a little bit healthier? You know, the processed granola bars are okay, but if you make it from home, you can make sure you know exactly what's going into it. And there's a lot of copycat recipes out there on Google where you can make a similar type of bar to the ones that they like that are prepackaged. A lot of times too, you can freeze them so they're ready to go. If you want an on-the-go snack, you can just wrap them in some parchment paper in a Ziploc bag, and it makes just a healthier snack that most kids will enjoy. If granola bars aren't your first choice, you can also make little energy bites, and you can choose the ingredients inside that your kids really like. Our favorite has granola, honey, almond butter, flaxseed, and a few chocolate chips. And the kids really like those too. And you can kind of put those in little balls and keep them in your fridge and bring them on the go for a snack with a lot of energy, protein, and healthy fat. The next tip is make it mini. Kids love it when you're making things extra small, just their size. So we like to make mini quiches in here, mini muffins. You can even put an egg and bacon in and cut them really small. You can make banana bread. You can make all sorts of things with just like pick up a mini muffin tray and have fun with that. You can also find in your local freezer section lots of mini kinds of foods, mini tacos, mini meatballs, mini corn dogs. So make it mini, and it's perfect for on the go, and it's a perfect size for a snack. So last is smoothies. Now I know your kids like at least some type of smoothie. Our kids love sweet things. So when we started smoothies, I got really crazy and I tried to make them a green smoothie and it did not go well. So my suggestion is start off very sweet and then gradually make it into more of a green smoothie. So at first we had a lot of fruit juices, a lot of fruit, and not that much nutrition, but we've moved now where we have a protein, we have chia or flaxseed, we have a bit of fruit, and we also have usually spinach, but we use other greens as well, and sometimes cauliflower. So if you don't have a blender that can make the smoothie very, very smooth, you're not gonna have a lot of success with little kids usually. So I highly recommend investing in blender that can really make it nice and smooth. This is a Blend Tech blender we got at Costco, but you can also get a Vitamix. I think there's another one called the Ninja, or just a regular blender will work. You just might have to blend it up a number of times and move it around a little bit. So we also like to pack them in lunches. These are little plastic ball freezer to-go cups, and we can put it in their lunch like this we usually wrap like a cloth around it, and it will work and stay. It kind of turns into a slushie. And so on a really hot day, they'll have that at lunchtime. And sometimes it's not the right consistency and they bring it home and then they have it as an after-school snack. So that works too. But highly recommend smoothies. You can sneak a lot of nutrition in there once you get them liking the type of smoothie that is actually really healthy for them. So now you know exactly how to make snacks fun for your picky eater. Number 1, use tools. Number 2, use dips. Number 3, use homemade snacks instead of store-bought ones. Number 4, try mini treats. And number 5, use smoothies. This wraps up our 4-part series on lunches and back to school. If you missed any of the videos, now is a great time to go back and catch up on the ones that you missed. If you like this video, smash that like button below, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon in the next one.